Sword dance. We explore the position by looking at the lowest note of the music. Right hand is below F, which is a D, and it's a D 5 fingers, and we look, is this major or minor from the chord? If there's no black key, it's minor. So this is D minor 5 fingers. Start from right hand on F, left hand play the chord. Ready, set, go from F, go down, and an A, top. E, go up and down, E, D, go up and then D, F, go down, to the top. From E, go up and down, and on D. Walk, E, walk, go up one by one, A, go down one by one. Now run, running, run. 2, move higher. E, go up to the top, A, go down, run, E, F, G, F, E, D, E. Come back to middle, F, A, from E, go up and down, D, go up and down again, F, to A, from E, up and down, to D, and fifth, 8th low. Slow accompaniment. Loud. Soft. Loud. Soft. Move. Loud.